Hey guys, let's go live. Let's go live. Another interesting night on the crypto world, especially on Ethereum. As to what's happening on the crypto world, let us then correlate it back to the normal world, because we know that the normal world is slightly different than the crypto world. So you guys know that our wallet class has been postponed to 20th, of August, postponed to 20th. If you do not know anything about wallets, I'm kind of 23rd, 9:30 to 3:30. We are going to focus a little bit on Ethereum, but mostly on Polygon, because they're cheap, right? We want cheap things so that you guys will be able to do cheap things. 20th August. 9:30 to 3:30 p.m. Let me put the link here. If you haven't signed, maybe you will win a ledger. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe you'll be there. But let's look at the markets tonight. Very interesting markets. And let me put the registration here. HTTPS Ethereum.ai. And wallet. Is it wallet or wallets? I don't know. I have no idea. Let me test it out. Okay. MetaRand. I'm a weirdo, guys. Wallet, and hope you are doing well on a day when Bitcoin has touched this, right? It has touched 25 and then it just went back down. Ethereum has been fooling around with 2K and then went back down again. Also, let's see our charts today. Welcome everyone here. Let's go see that. What is happening in the world today? Well, there it is, guys. Look at that. Dominance has come down to 38. It was 39, right? Hey, I've been 24.5K, 1984, 15th of September. That is when the ETH 2.0 will come. And if you want an airdrop, you want to hear about an airdrop, come on Saturday. Tether, BNB, Cardano is still alive? Seriously. 38 cents is XRP. Look at that. 24.5, 38, a dominance here. And then we go to the 24-hour. Let's see what's going up. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at that. Shiba Inu. You see the Inus are going back up, okay? Chiliz is a high quality. Doge, Gala Games. Okay, so these are the latecomers, you know, the games, the metaverse, the games. They're usually latecomers. And the dogs. So the latecomers are coming back up. Well, ADA never goes up, so it's always there. But Loop Ring also, see, Engine Coin, Samba, you see, the latecomers are coming back up, guys. The latecomers are coming back up. Hobie, of course, going up because his owner wants to sell either to Justin Sun, right? Or FTX. We do not know who. That's just what's going on there. But again, let's take a look at now the main market. You might be happy. We're actually in bullish, you know. Did you guys know that we're actually back in bull? You see, a 20% off the bottom is a bull. So we're in bull. I'm now confused. I thought we were in a bear market. Are we supposed to say we're in a bull market? Technically, we are in a bull market. So now I'm thoroughly confused on what they use. Look at that, 4280. I will see what the resistance is. It's getting very close. 13047, 33761. Look at that maximum. What are they saying here? Where is the news that they say we are in a bull market? Yeah, we are. Okay, Mr. Short issues a dire warning about the economy here, and we'll show you what the warning says. Is worried about the economy. Yeah, I'm worried too, Mr. Michael. I'm worried too. What does he say here? Is worried about the economy, and that's why he says that maybe this is like 2008. Let's see, he was the one to make a lot of money in 2008, and he's worried about the economy. He's Cassandra there. The main fourth consecutive week in the green. Okay, goes 134 points. So fourth consecutive week. It looks like, hey, shouldn't like it take a rest before it goes up again? There seems to be a lot of euphoria here, okay? Not that I want it to stop, but hey, look at that. US dollar index is even breaking down, right? So let's see what's happening here. He is issuing a warning here about the economy here. Winter is coming. Those who think the against those who think the economy is probably out of danger. There's another fact which would augur future problems for the economy. Households continue to spend as if nothing had happened. Yeah, this is the thing, you know, the households are not good. The housing market, consumers' growing indebtedness poses a serious risk to the economy. I tend to agree to that because they are going into debt now. But even some states are giving them money, you know. So look at this, savings glut problem, no more. COVID helicopter crash taught people to spend again. It's addictive. Winter coming. He deleted the tweet, guys. Look at that. Net consumer credit balances are rising at record rates as consumers choose violence. They're spending. I think that's crazy. Look at that. Remember the savings glut problem? No more. COVID helicopter crash taught people to spend again. I thought this was good for the economy, but he doesn't think so. Let's see what he says, because he is very influential. Stimulus check received by a large number of Americans, but now they're getting it again. Again. Game of Thrones. By July, he says he foresees a credit crunch for consumers. So this is something that we need to look out for. Let's see here. So this is what he said. Michael J. Burry. NASDAQ now 23% off its lows. Congratulations. We now have an average bear market rally. Hey, congratulations, everyone. You have been making a lot of money on Ethereum. And those of you that worked hard to do whatever you wanted to do to buy during the lows. After 2000, there were two 40% bear market rallies and 150% rally before the market bottomed out. So what does this mean? It would be good if the market can just go slower here and then go up to 40%, right? So just remember that. Just remember that. If we take a rest here and go because we are in the cycle, probably go another 40% on the S&P 5, no, on the NASDAQ, right? On the NASDAQ, of course, Bitcoin and all follows the NASDAQ. Now, I'll have to calculate what that is, okay? Let us calculate together what that is afterwards. Okay, this is the worrying part. S&P today versus 2008. Look at that. Look at that. I said September was bad, right? The D-Day is actually September. I suggest you feel scared too. It's kind of like September, what's happening now. But let's see what happened to 2008. Let me draw the line here. Is it really following 2008? Ooh, scary. Scary. So look at that. It's going up here and then going down here. Interesting. But there is a minor change. So let's go here. I know you guys are excited about Bitcoin. So let's look at the Bitcoin charts first. Went up to 25. So look at this ascending triangle. Looks good. Looks good. If it goes up here and it breaks that, look at all this space here. Probably go here, 28, right? It's just like, hey, okay, it can go many ways to 28. To go 25. I wish it does this, like this. You know, flip that into support. If they can flip that into support and go up, then that's good. And I think we will have major, major problems there. But look at this here. If it goes down there and doesn't go up, we are in big trouble. But that is a very nice pattern. But it looks like it really wants to start finding that. It was rejected again. So is this going to correct together with the S&P 500? That is really what we want to know. So let's see the S&P 500 and let's see the NASDAQ, because Michael J. Burry said there were two 40% rallies. Don't expect the 50%, guys. I'm like, come on, don't do that. Okay, let's see the NASDAQ first. Look at that. It has already gone up on its line here. Hey, NASDAQ, can you just come down for me to get in? It would be good if you can do that and flip this into support so that we can go back like higher. because Burry now expects like we can even go to 40, right? So I'm just going to see here 40%. Where one moment, can you guys calculate for me 40%? Just to make ourselves happy tonight, right? Because we deserve to be happy, guys. We deserve to be happy tonight. I'm just going to put at the low here. Okay, this is 23, right? Can you guys put like 40%, 11,131? So 11,131 plus 40%. 40%. What is it? Let's say 11,131 plus 40%. I'm just taking historically, okay? Historically. 40% looks like a lot. Are we at the highs yet? 11? But of course, you guys know, right? And if you guys are in my course that day, hey, who wants a recording? Better PM me. 131, 11,131 times 1.4. Like 15.6. Are we at 15.6? No, we're somewhere here, but we're almost at 16. Yeah, this is like almost at the old house. That kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense. Okay, 15.5 here, right? So I think I just want to wait for this to flip. You know, this just makes me totally nervous here. But then people will say, hey, maybe it flipped here, right? It'd be good if we can flip it back down, spend some time here before we go back up again, because 4 weeks looks to be a very long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess. So it's 4 weeks. Let's see the S&P 500. And this worries me more than the NASDAQ. SPX, S&P 500 here, TVC. Okay, let's draw the line here. I'm just going to draw that trend line here, and we are near the resistance, okay? Very, very near, guys. We're just so near there. You see that? That's like the line in the sand. 4343, is it? Or 43? It's say 43 is like resistance. Yeah, it's almost there. It's almost there. Probably another couple of points. 60 points. Let's draw a fib here. I just want to see what the fib shows here. Take the line there. Go here. Go here. We are at the 50. Makes sense. Makes sense. This is going to be like, maybe this goes here. 4362 makes sense also. 61.8. The golden pocket is somewhere here. Yeah, so it makes sense. It goes up here, gets rejected. But there's only a little bit more to go. So I feel that Bitcoin better do its own thing very, very quickly now. Let's go back here. Okay, what is happening to Bitcoin? We know that. Now, Ethereum is, look at this, guys. I know you, altcoins, some have moved fast, some have moved slow. So we saw today the laggards moving, right? The dogs and also the metaverse. Look at that. It's already past this downtrend line. So looks good, looks extremely good. But look at all these these points here, this wicks here. This is a very dangerous zone here. It looks like time to rest, because if you don't rest, you cannot go straight up. You know, you got to rest before you're going to go straight up. Let us see another one here. Ethereum, yeah, triple halving. We'll read about that. 1984, almost there. Well, went up here, blasted over resistance here, right? We said that, hey, resistance was going to be around here. And then it just decided, hey, I'm not going to wait for you. I'm just going to go ahead. Let's see where Ethereum is now. Where are we now? We're already at the extension here. Now, we're just going extension over extension. 2.2 around there. 2.2. There's a lot of things here. This is a nice point. Yeah, maybe we already hit here at 2007 here. See a lot of candles here around here. 2094. What is that? 2036. Whatever it is around here. Next one is around here. But there's still 1 month to go to the merge. So it seems that this is what is really driving Ethereum. My God, look at how fast Ethereum has fallen. Look at that. Just look like a tragedy, right? But now it's so bullish. I would be surprised if we don't reach at least there. I don't think it will blast that, but I don't think it's not in this round, okay? So that is what's happening on Ethereum. Looks good, and the altcoins also look good. That means we want Bitcoin to blast away to 20 or stay within this 24 to 26 or blast away to 28 and then get down so that the other coins can come up. It's been a gold alts rally, but not for all, right? So we want to make sure that Bitcoin doesn't go anywhere very soon, or else we are going to be finished too. So just remember big shorts market thing, right? Remember we're at 23, which is just the average. We could go higher on the NASDAQ, okay? We could go up to 40%, almost the all-time highs. And you guys are, I know you guys are happy, right? Because you guys know even during that course, what did I say? I'm not going to tell you, but you know what to do, right? If for whatever reason, the S&P can finish above this, you guys know what to do. I'm not going to tell you. You must PM me for the recording that day. I should write an email giving you the links for that recording, right? But anyway, look at this. If this happens, you guys know what to do, right? And anyway, I think we are in a good cycle now, but it's not going to be smooth, but just make sure you look at the cycles and take action accordingly, okay? So let's see what's happening to the rest of the world now. I want to go and see what's happening in Cointelegraph. Merge, upgrade, okay? What is happening here? So the fees are not going to go down, although now you see it's 5 GUI and 4 GUI, right? This is really the biggest event, guys. The merge is the biggest event ever since the Bitcoin Genesis or whatever it is. This is the biggest in Bitcoin. Revenue jumps 68.6%. We'll take that also. Have we really capitulated on the mining? That is the issue now that's bothering us, right? A Beacon chain spurred rumors about the thing. Okay, again, Ethereum fees are not going to reduce after the merge, right? Ethereum transaction will not be faster. No, this is going to take years. This is going to take years. Downtime of the Ethereum blockchain, no. There's no. Withdraw stake, no. There's no such thing. I know what people say, right? That those who like gave that 32 Ethereum will be able to unstake now. And you're afraid, right, that on September 15th is going to go down like that. Not so. They're going to do it bit by bit, right? They can already do it on Steth. Withdraw the Steth does not facilitate this change, okay? Lock and illiquid 6 to 12 months after the merger. I know you guys are scared, right? Because you guys know that Mt. Gox is coming. Okay, and you do, yeah, and this with Mt. Gox is gonna spell doomsday disaster. Well, that's not gonna happen actually. Validators will not be able to withdraw the rewards, okay, available to the validator immediately. Okay, so let's go back here. Next thing is this, Bitcoin mining revenue jumps. So did we go through the final thing? Let's go look at the Bitcoin fear and greed index, right? Fear and greed index. Let's go here. Fear and greed index, Bitcoin sentiment alternative.me. Let's go and see this. It's 47. Where are we now? Have we reached 60, right? Have we reached 60? Be careful at 60, okay? Have we reached there? If you want to know when you should, you know, because you guys are nervous. Hey, when do I get out? Just take something off the table, okay? Just take something off the table. Let's go here. Let's go max. This is March. Yeah, not there yet. This is what? You want to go at 55 to 60, okay? Not there yet. Not there yet, but I want you to look at this. Right? I want you to look at that, that. Okay, so whatever this is, this looks like 55 to 60, okay? So at 55 to 60, maybe you want to take things off the table, some of it or most of it, it's up to you. But just be careful on this, okay? Because we are coming up to here and here. So I have started taking things off the table. I'm going to take more off the table tomorrow. You guys might want to airdrop and want to stick around, so that is fine with you guys. But again, remember, right, this is not post-Bitcoin halving. Post-Bitcoin halving is still miles away. Jump 68 from the lowest earning day. Miners revenue, network difficulty, and hash rate. What's going on here? 68.63 impact. Wow. Impacted their earnings. So it's good that it's finally come. Was this the capitulation? I do not know. I do not know. Okay. 69 in 1 month from 13.92 to 23. That's very good. Okay. High operational costs, lower mining equipment has allowed BTC miners to expand their existing infrastructure as they pursue the last 2 million BTC. Then, yeah, this is why the hash rate has also grown. So we have to ask, was this double bottom it? Was this it? Are we going to have another one? This is the issue now, because now, you know, although the Quill indicator has given us basically the confidence that maybe we have a low, but the Bitcoin hash rate has not gone down to 2018 levels. It may never go down to 2018 levels, but there's something still inside our head saying that, hey, maybe Bitcoin can fall to 15 or 14, right? So this, right? Money heads for riskier altcoins. This is what I said, right? Once, so it's Bitcoin has been pumping. Once Bitcoin steadies and find a high this cycle, maybe 28K, and starts just going between 26 or 28, hopefully, then the alts will move. Look, liquidity is strong on the alts market today, right? Because we saw the latecomers coming in, which is the metaverse, and also the dogs, right? ETH is worth more than Bitcoin that at any time since the start of the year amid a new risk appetite for altcoins. Look at that. Look at that ETH BTC. Wow. Wow. Altcoin market returns to 700. We saw it now. It just broke the downtrending line. Troublesome sell zone. So yeah, it kind of broke this up. That's good. How many days Ethereum remain above 2,000 legends? Not for long then. Noting a trend piled into altcoins developing, on-chain firm Glassnode eyed a desire among investors to heighten risk. So they're moving into the altcoins now, especially the more dangerous ones. Okay, so it looks like the first until now was the safer altcoins, right? You got Ethereum, you got your Chainlinks, the safer, you got your Uniswap, you got your BNB and all that, right? Now they're going to the more riskier ones, driving altcoins higher. The highest of May this week. See, it passed 700 billion. Look at that. It has gone up very nicely. Once untapped highs start getting tapped, the rest highs typically speak the same fate. Don't have my eyes on the exact level of setup for long opportunity set, but we'll update as I see. So people are like nervous. Ethereum to 2.2. We saw that already, right? That was that line. I don't expect it to clear that, you know, or it just clears that and then just goes back down, giving people a reason to buy, and then everyone will be caught because that is what happens, right? Breakout if 2K is claimed 2.4K. I don't know. I'm looking at 2.2K because I think there's exit liquidity for a lot of people like me. Even I want to get out. I want to get out. It's over 2. I want to get out, and I definitely will be out by 2.2K. Maybe I'll even be out by 2.1K. Okay. It's not bull market, just less of bear market. Underwater back holders blessed with an opportunity to de-risk at 2K. Yes. Cautious approach to further gains. Okay. What's the risk now? 0.08. They didn't tell the riskier altcoin. Come on, man. Why don't you tell us the riskier altcoin? But we saw already, right? The metaverse and the dogs are just starting. The metaverse and the dogs. Dogs, I mean Shiba Inu, Doge, not dog yet. I hope dog comes back up. What else is happening now? Nothing much, but Ethereum, yeah. until the 15th. So just be careful there. I just gave you a date, right? Just be careful there. Is it going to be sell the news kind of things? DAPS. Wow. Polygon DAPS post 400. Wow. Elon Musk says inflation is on the decline. Okay. The greatest bull run is coming. Yeah, this is said. Well, he's saying that in the next cycle that, yeah, the greatest Bitcoin bull run is that. Yeah, I do agree. Okay, I do agree in the bigger picture, not the immediate picture, not certainly the immediate picture. Let's go here. CoinDesk. What's happening at CoinDesk? What do they say here? Beckman Fried. Okay, Huobi. Are you guys on Tornado Cash? I hope your money wasn't frozen. Developer was arrested. This is against free speech, right? Netherlands has arrested suspected developer. So if you're just a developer, you can get arrested. Wow. Now they can even tell us what to do. Does your assets on the exchange? Actually, the smaller ones maybe no. Crypto has exchange, Binance has recovered that. Ethereum miners first. Yeah, this will lead to something. So you guys want an airdrop, just come on Saturday, okay? Okay, guys, any questions for now? Just know that we are, Ethereum is, again, the key things, right? What are the key things that Ethereum, like we see that trend line to 2, S&P is 4348. It's gone up 4 weeks. I just cannot see it. I just cannot see how it can sustain this. I can see us correcting and then going back up again. And then I think the end or the early ends of this cycle is definitely going to be around 15th of September, which is the merge of Ethereum. Okay. But as I said, in the bigger picture of thing, I am very, very bullish. Okay, I'm not as bearish as Cassandra. I'm very, very bullish actually, because I've been telling you guys, right? We are on a multi-year bull cycle. So I do agree with that. But cryptocurrency is kind of weird. If you play the traditional markets, it's kind of more easier. But cryptocurrency does weird things rather than traditional markets. So if there's nothing else, I will go for now, guys. Okay, guys. Hopefully, I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye-bye. See you. Bye. Any other questions now? Who has questions, just go and ask. If not, I will go now. Thank you very much for